you guys are married, you're still talking about it, or things happen, life goes on, your spouse gets sick, or they suddenly die before they file the I-130 petition for you. Does that mean, you cannot benefit, you cannot do anything? No, absolutely not. You still can benefit from that marriage in terms of immigration. What would you do? So if you are eligible, if you are filing within 2 years of your spouse's death, at the point of marriage, you guys were together. Sorry, at the point of the US citizen's death, you guys were together. There was still a marriage subsisting between the two of you. Then you can file the widower or widow self-petition. Now, in that case, what would that petition look like, right? Because the other person has passed away. So the first thing you have to prove, there was a bona fide marriage between the two of you. So basically, documents that show you guys were married, your marriage certificate. If you guys had commingled your finances, like you have a joint bank statement, that would be good evidence of, commingling of finances. If you guys were on each other's health insurance, auto insurance, all those beautiful things you would use ordinarily for an I-130 or a marriage-based petition, we would need those for a widow or widower petition, right? To prove that there was a subsisting bona fide marriage between the two of you and that the marriage wasn't for immigration benefits. So having proved now that there was a bona fide marriage between the two of you at the time of your spouse's death, now we have to prove that your spouse has actually passed away or they are deceased, right? So that's where the death certificate comes in. That's where if they run like an obituary in the newspaper, that would come in handy. If you have family or friends that can write letters attesting to your marriage and the passing of your spouse, that would also be helpful in case of that petition, right? So with those elements, you can file the 360, the widower petition, and then with it, you can file for a green card, lawful permanent residence. And then with that, you can also file for work authorization and you'll be able to work in the United States. And you can also file for advanced parole, which allows you to travel in and out of the United States pending your green card application.
AKN Immigration for all your immigration needs.